Okay, guys, calm down. Calm down, everybody. So, guys, if you want Livy, so just hold on for a second, guys. Livy, if you want your name to be Livy on this excellent homework list, let me show you how to change your name, guys. So, guys, if you go to class in, if you go to class in, there's going to be this little button over here, guys. This little button. Okay? And if you click that button, guys, I'll show you what happens. 1 second. One moment, guys. Ah, if you click that button, I'll show you in a second, guys. 1 second. Sorry if it's taking a lot. Okay, if you click this button, guys, you're going to see this button here, and you need to click this button to change your name. Does that make sense, Livy? Hello, Livy.
One, I have an iPad, so this is completely different from
Oh,
what
it's
I
same
have.
thing. You need
Two,
to
it's
you
like
need to click your profile, the circle. That's my profile. I have no picture. Livy, so you need to
I know
you
I
need,
already tried, but I can't change my name.
oh really?
It's weird. Yeah, it says you can't change your name or whatever.
Oh, okay, maybe it only works for teachers then. Okay. All right.
Oh, that's
Anyways, don't worry. I know it's you, Libby. That's okay. All right. So, all right then. Maybe it doesn't work for the students, but anyway, guys, here we are. Well done, guys. For those of you who did 100%. Okay, it does work. Works for you, yeah. Let's see. Okay. All right, that's okay, guys. No worries, guys. Let's just how about start the lesson? What do you say? What do you say, guys? Okay, I know it's you guys, so don't worry. So yeah, because guys, if you want to do the jokes and riddles, remember you need to behave well. Or should I just skip the break? Oh yes, Livia, I had a haircut. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so now, yes, I have a haircut. Good, thank you. So today, guys, we are going to work with intervals. So now there are going to be some special words you need to understand. Now, what that is, first of all, let's get into the story. Wukong, Nice, and Una prepared some wood and wanted to make some small wooden stool. Sorry. Hey guys, can you help me out to cut this stick into 4 equal sections? And now no photos now, Livy. Okay, no photos, everybody. Now, yeah, it's easy. Just cut it 4 times and I'll get it done for you right away. And no. You only need to cut it 3 times. So, between Nice and Una, who is right? So this is the things that we're going to do today, guys. Okay? So let me show you one thing. So now, guys, okay, focus, focus. So imagine, guys, imagine I have a piece of wood. Okay? Now, if I cut this once, how many pieces do I get? Now, I'll draw a picture for you. So as you can see, I have 2 pieces if I cut it once. Does that make sense, guys? If I cut once, I get 2 pieces. Right. Now, you need to understand the word now. Okay, so guys, you need to understand the word segments. Now, this is a math word to tell you these are pieces. Okay, so as you can see, how many segments do I have, guys? 2. Yes, segments means pieces. Does that make sense, everybody? Do you think you can understand and try to remember? Okay, good. And as you can see, guys, I have cut one time and I was able to get 2 segments. Okay? So we have a special relationship, guys. We have a special relationship. So all we're going to do is learn this relationship. And the relationship, so basically Una is right. Now, have a look at this, guys. If we cut or saw means cutting, for like cutting wood. We can't cut with the knife. We need to saw with the saw, right? So we need to saw a piece of wood. If he saws the wood 1 time, or 2 times, 3 and 4 times, how many segments? Again, segments means how many pieces. Okay? So if I cut it once, how many pieces or segments do I have, guys? Good. 2. And now, what about if I cut it 2 times? How many pieces or segments do I have, guys? 3. Yes, that's right. It's 3. And now, guys, if I cut it 3 times, what do you think? Did you find the relationship? Yes. If I cut it 4 times, what do you think? How many segments or pieces? Yes, that's right. And guys, Forrest said he just entered. Is it good to come to class late, everybody? No. So Forrest, you come to class quite late often. Was it Forrest? No, it wasn't Forrest. Was it? Let me check. No, yes, it is Forrest. Yeah, so please come to class early, okay? All right, because segments, yeah, segments are pieces. So we have a special relationship, guys. So we have a special relationship. So the relationship is basically you're always going to have 1 more pieces compared to number of times you cut. Does that make sense, guys? Number of times you cut, you're always going to have 1 more pieces. Yeah, okay, good. So now, guys, what about this one? If Wukong cuts its rope 7 times, how many pieces do we have, guys? Yep, that's it. Easy peasy. All right. And next, guys, but if Una wants to cut a rope into 10 pieces, How many times does she need to cut? Ah, it's 9, not 11. Because you need to read the question carefully. 10 pieces. Pieces are always one more. So we need to cut 9 times. Does that make sense, guys? Yes, does that make sense? Good, 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 good. Okay. So, today's lesson, you need to read the question carefully. Don't you agree, guys? Because you don't know if it's cutting or pieces. Yes. And Livy is saying, is one cut equivalent to 2 segments? Yes, of course. All right, so now, as you can see, if you want to find how many pieces or segments you have, you just need to add 1 to cutting. Now, if you want to know how many times you need to cut, all you need to do is take away 1 from number of pieces. This is the relationship. Okay? So, very simple, guys, right? All right, so now, guys, Nice has to cut a piece of road into several segments of equal lengths. Now, if we read this question, guys, segments are pieces, so equal pieces. Okay. He cuts it 5 times. Ooh, cutting 5 times. Now, after cutting, each pieces or segments is 4 meters long. So how long was the original rope? So guys, if we cut 5 times, so cut 5 times, how many pieces? How many? No, 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 no. Guys, I don't like to see your answers because, guys, 21, 20, 16, like, good guys. No, 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 no. Slow down. You can do whatever you want during the act questions, but when I'm doing the ask questions, only answer to my individual questions first. Okay? Cutting 5 times, we will get 6 segments. Now, what's another word for segments, guys? Pieces. Yes, good. Okay. And how long is one piece? How long is one piece, guys? 4 meters. Yes. So 6 times 4 equals to 24, guys. Not 20. We have 6 pieces. And one piece is 4 meters. Yes? So that is why everybody, Livy and everybody who thought it was 20, you need to read the question carefully and listen to me when I'm explaining this question, guys. Okay? Because I'm going to give you a trophy if you get every question right. And I'm going to see who will have the most trophies today. Okay? And also, I'm going to give trophies for the best person who replies to my individual questions. Okay? So that's why you need to listen to me carefully, guys. All right? Okay. So this is your turn now. So you need to read the question carefully if you don't want to make any mistakes, because I am going to give you trophies if you get it right. And you need to do it in 2 minutes. Guys, I can see so many people not reading the question. I'm very sad. Okay, so the time is up, guys. And oh my goodness, I cannot believe how many people got this question wrong. It's C, guys. It is C. Now, who can explain it to me why it is C? And let's have Danya. Okay. Hello, Danya.
Hello.
Hi, Danya. So, how did you do this question? Well, first, Danya.
Cut
Yeah, sorry to interrupt. Now, what was another word for segments?
pieces.
Good, so pieces. And how many times did he cut?
3.
Yes, so if you cut 3 times, how many pieces do we get?
4.
Exactly, 4 pieces. And you can see, guys, cut 1 and 2 and 3, we get 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. And how long is one piece?
3 meters long.
Yes, 3 meters long. Each segment, each piece is 3 meters long. So, how do we find the answer?
3 times 4.
Yes, which equals to?
12.
Good, 12 meters. Well done, Danya. I can see you did really well practicing your times table now. You're really good at that now. Well done, okay? So thank you, and that's the answer, everybody. So, guys, I told you so. You need to read the question carefully. All right? We have many people submitting A and especially B and some D as well. Okay? So listen carefully if you want to get a trophy, guys. So next, guys. James saws, which means cutting a piece of wood, and takes in 3 minutes to saw it once. So guys, to cut one time, it takes 3 minutes. And in the same way, how many minutes does it take him to saw a piece of wood into 6 segments? So guys, how many pieces do we have? 18 pieces? Is that the answer that I want to hear, Richie? No, 6 pieces. Now guys, if we have 6 pieces, how many times do you need to cut? 7 times? 5 times! Do you remember the relationship, guys? Guys, Forrest is saying, isn't it 18? Guys, do I want to hear the answer already, guys? You need to listen to me first, okay? 6 pieces equals to cutting 5 times. Guys, if you're always confusing, just draw a rectangle and cut it once. How many pieces do you get? You get 2, right? So you can see, oh, cutting is always 1 less, or pieces are always 1 more. Okay, that's how you remember if you're forgetting it so often. Okay, and now, all right, we need to cut 5 times. And how long does it take to cut once? Forrest, you're not reading. I can tell already because look, cutting is 3 minutes. And how many times you're cutting? 5 times. See? This is why you need to listen and read my question, guys. So, 5 times 3 equals to 15 minutes. Does that make sense, everybody? So, do you understand why I am so telling you a lot how many times you need to read the question carefully? Yes? So, please read the question carefully, guys. Good, Danya, thank you. And yes, Sherlock, of course. All right. Yes. So this is your turn, guys. So read the question carefully again. Okay? Guys, already, not everybody is correct. You guys are too rushing. Guys, you have Lots of time. Double check your answer, please. If you need to draw a picture, you can draw a picture. What's the rush? Oh my god, so many wrong answers. Okay. Okay, guys, so the time is up, and guys, the answer is B, not A, not C, not D. So well done, guys. So let's have. Okay, let's have Elsa. Hello, Elsa.
Hello.
So Elsa, first of all, how long does it take Robert to cut it once?
2 minutes. It takes
Yes.
him 2 minutes.
2 minutes to cutting it once. Now, we have how many pieces? How many pieces do we want to have?
We have 9 segments, which is 8 cuts.
Yes, 9 segments, which means segments are pieces. Good. And it's always going to be one less when you're cutting, so 8 cuts. Now, 2 minutes for cutting it once, and how many times do we need to cut again, Elsa?
8 times.
8. So how do we calculate the answer?
8 times the 2 minutes.
Which equals to?
16.
16 minutes. Very good, Elsa. Thank you very much. So, guys, we still have many people making the silly mistakes 9 times 2. Guys, please read the question carefully. Okay? Okay, guys. So, now, what about this one? So, Kevin is late. Guys, we always need to come to class early. Please don't come to class late. Alright? Forrest, you can't talk. You also came late as well. Okay, so now, guys. Michael, so listen, guys. Michael saws a steel pipe into 2 pieces in 4 minutes, guys. Notice we have 2 pieces here, guys, okay? But we have 2 things to do, okay? So the first one, guys. So the first one, he cuts it into 2 pieces. So 2 pieces, guys. How many times do we need to cut? Good. Cut 1 time. Okay. So let's cut. Cut. So why don't we cut it here? Good. So now we have 2 pieces. Okay, we have 2 pieces. And now, how long did this take? Four minutes. Yes, 4 minutes. And now, guys, now, in the same way, so on the second rod or steel pipe, guys, how many minutes does it take him to saw the same pipe into 10 pieces? So we want to make this into 10 pieces, guys. So, guys, 10 pieces. How many times do we need to cut? 9 times, yes. So, and remember, how long does it take to cut one piece? How long does it take to cut one time? Yes, 4 minutes. So 4 minutes multiplied by 9 is your answer, guys, which is 36 minutes. So, do you understand how to do this question now? So, the first sentence is for the first steel pipe, and the second sentence is for the second steel pipe, guys. Okay? Does that make sense? Okay, good. All right. So, Kevin, you have to catch up. Unfortunately, if you don't understand, you need to watch the replay. All right. So, now, this is your turn. Let's see if you guys can read the question carefully as well. Okay, guys, so the time is up, so please submit your answer. And the correct answer for this question is actually B. Not D, not A, not C, B for Bob. So well done, guys, for those people who got it right. And yes, let's have Livy. Hello, Livy. So if we read this question, Livy, so Richard saws, meaning cutting, steel pipe into 2 pieces in 3 minutes. So if we need to cut it into 2 pieces, so how many times do we need to cut?
We need to saw it into 4 segments.
No. Listen to me, Livy. You're not listening. If Richard wants to make 2 pieces, how many times do we need to cut?
Once.
Very good. That's what I want to hear. So, okay, so 2 pieces means we need to cut it once. So cut 1 time. And how long does it take to cut once?
3 minutes.
Very good, Livy. 3 minutes. And now, if we read the second sentence for the second steel pipe, how many minutes does it take him to cut the pipe into 4 pieces? Okay, so 4 pieces means how many times do we need to cut, Livy?
3.
3 times. Good. So how do we calculate the total time then?
3 times 3 minutes
Yes.
equals minutes.
How much?
9 minutes.
9 minutes. Very good, Livy. So, do you now completely understand the relationship between pieces and how many times you need to cut?
Yes.
Very good, Livy. So, well done. So, does that make sense, everybody, now? Good, very good. Okay, so excellent job, guys. And we'll have a short break. And guys, we will have some riddles and jokes. But guys, I'm gonna see who are behaving well recently. Okay, and so raise your hand if you want to try it. So Jackson, yes, of course, Jackson. Hello, Jackson.
So there's one mom and one dad and 6 brothers. And the 6 brothers all have one sister. How many people are in the family?
Ooh, guys, does anybody know the answer for this? I think I know the answer. Ah, is it 9?
Yeah.
Yes, can you explain
Because
why?
all the brothers have the same sister.
Yes, because all the 6 brothers will have the same sister, which is the only one sister, and we need to count the mom and dad as well. So that total ups to 9. Good one, Jackson. I like that one. Okay, and now let's have Grace. Yes, Grace. Hello, Grace.
Hello.
Hi, is that a riddle or a joke?
A riddle.
Okay, Grace, tell me a riddle.
What's an odd number, but when you take away one letter, it turns even?
Oh, what's an odd number, but if you take away one letter, it becomes even. Okay, that's interesting. Huh. 8, odd. Any other answers? Let me think. It's an odd number, but if we take away one letter out. 7? No. It's hard. What is it,
It's
Grace?
7.
Why is it 7?
Because how you
Ah!
spell 7, you take away the S.
Yes,
And it
if we
turns to
take
even.
away the S, it becomes even. Oh, that's a good one, Grace. I like that one. Thank you. Okay. So, all right. Yes, of course, I know, Danya. I was going to give you a turn. Okay. So, yes, Danya.
I have a riddle for you.
Riddle, okay?
What stands in the garden day and night, wears a hat and does not move?
Ooh. People are saying genome. Is that the answer? What's the answer, Danya?
A scarecrow.
A scarecrow. Yes. Can you explain why?
Scarecrow stand in the garden, does not move.
Mm-hmm. And wears a hat, right?
Mhm.
Yes. Okay, that's a good one. Thanks. All right. Thank you, Danya. Okay. So now let's have Catherine. Yes, Catherine.
I have a riddle.
Okay.
What is round and it's red?
What is round and it is red?
It's a fruit. It's
kind of fruit.
It's a fruit. Okay. Yeah, apple, cherry. There's so many. What is it?
It's a watermelon.
Oh, watermelon is also round and red. Yes, inside. Yeah. Okay, well done, Catherine. I like that one. So now, Benson, are you going to come to class early? I know you're at the restaurant, but can you try and coming to the class early, Benson? Okay, I'll give you a chance. All right, what do you have, riddle or a joke?
A riddle.
Okay,
Actually, it's a joke.
okay.
It's a joke. How does a celebrity stay cool?
How does the celebrity stay cool, guys? Does anybody know? How does the celebrity stay cool? Cool. It's hard. What is it, Benson?
They have so many fans.
They have so many fans. Oh, I see. That's a good joke, Benson. Well done. Okay. So, Forrest, are you going to come to class early as well? Okay. All right.
What is a human? What is a human but has a house but doesn't live in it?
Ooh. Guys, what do you think the answer? It's a tricky. What is it, Forrest?
A monkey.
Why?
Monkeys have a home but it isn't made out of anything
Ah, I
except for
see.
trees.
Ah, okay, Forrest, that was interesting. Okay, and now, and yes, let's have Elsa.
Imagine you're on a boat and you're sinking. There's a squid trying to capture you. What would you do?
Oof, I don't know what I could do. Does anybody have any good answer? Swim? Run away? What is it, Elsa?
Stop imagining.
Ah, that's a good one, Elsa. Thank you. Oh, Forrest, I don't like bad words. I don't want to have a bad environment. I gave you a chance to tell me a good joke and riddle. Oh, yes, Hannah. Yes, yes, you can. Yes. Quickly, just let me know when you're back, though. Okay. All right. So, okay, let's have. Oh, Sophie hadn't had a chance. Sophie, yes.
I have a riddle.
Okay, must be a. Give me a really hard one, Sophie. Hard one.
This won't be really hard. I don't think it'd be hard for adults because my mom and dad answered it easily.
Okay.
An old man gives you 3 apples. One is brown, one is green, and one is red with a worm inside.
Okay. Ooh.
One of them is. 2 of them are poisoned and one of them is not poisoned. Which one do you choose?
Ooh, what do you think, guys? I think the worm.
Yes, it's the one with the worm inside, because if the red apple had poison in it, the worm wouldn't have survived.
Yes, exactly. So thank you, Sophie. I think that's a really scientific one because even though the worm is disgusting, if you want to know if it's safe, then it's obviously it's going to be the one with the worm inside, isn't it, Sophie?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Okay. Guys, yes. Oh, thank you. Annie. Annie said a good thing. Stop forcing Jason to give you a turn. Yes, Annie, that was really nice. Thank you so much. That was really nice, Annie. So, Annie, I'll give you a chance if you want to say a joke. Hello, Annie. Hello.
I don't have a joke.
Or
I
riddle.
don't have a joke.
Or riddle. Or do you have anything to show? Show and tell. And do you have any pictures of today's lesson? Or do you like to do something?
No.
No? You're just...
No.
Well, thank you, Annie, for letting people know to stop forcing Jason. That was really nice. Okay, I'll give you another trophy for being a good student. Okay, thank you, Annie. Keep up the good work, okay? All right, Annie? Yeah, good. Thank you very much, Annie. Thank you, thank you. All right, so let's move on, guys. Let's move on, okay? We will have more jokes and riddle if we all behave well, guys. I think everybody likes to do a riddle and joke. I think it's an extra motivation for everybody to listen to me. Because right now, guys, I have so many people with so many silly mistakes. Guys, how many times did I tell you to read the question carefully? A lot. A lot. And guys, I'm giving you 2 minutes for every question. And still, a lot of people are submitting their answer in like 1 second, 5 seconds. Okay? Guys, it's okay to submit your answer, but you need to double check if you finished early. How many times are you guys checking your answer, guys? Are you actually really checking your answer? So think about it. So yeah, be honest, guys. Yeah. So that's right. So try to check your answer. So one more time at least if you have some times left. Okay. All right. So now things are gonna get more interesting. Kathy, you don't really understand. Okay, Kathy. Okay, I see. Maybe Kathy, did you come to class late? Yeah, so Kathy, that's another reason why, because you don't understand, because I've been explaining a lot of different things at the very beginning of the lesson. So please make sure to come to class on time. Okay? Okay, guys, so now we are going to solve some more interesting problems like climbing the stairs. Okay? Now, but we need to make some decisions, okay? Because many of the times the labeling, the order is not correct depending on the country. So mathematically, let's say, guys, let's say at the very bottom we have the first floor. I know in many countries we say this is ground floor, right? But to make this lesson fun, we need to change the ground floor into the first floor, guys, okay? In order to make this mathematically correct. So does that make sense, guys? So at the very bottom, we are now going to call it the first floor, just for the math purposes, okay? Okay, and now, guys, it takes Wukong 1 minute to climb 1 flight of stairs. So flight of stairs means this one over here, the red one. Okay, so going up the stairs, 1 level, it takes 1 minute. So we need to think, how many minutes does it take him to climb from the first floor to the second, first to third, first to fourth, first to fifth? Okay, so now let's do an experiment. Okay, so now obviously first to second. So how many stairs or flight of stairs do we need to climb, guys? How many flight of stairs do we need to climb? 2? 1. Look, just need to go up once. No, from the first floor to the second floor, you just need to walk once. Everybody understand what I mean by 1? So type yes if you understand. Yeah? Okay, and it takes 1 minute to climb 1 flight of stairs. Okay, so 1 minute. What about first floor to the third floor? How many stairs? 1 and 2. Yes, that's right. So 2 stairs, meaning 2 minutes. What about first to fourth, guys? First to fourth. Yes. Now, do you see a little pattern we have here, guys? So 3 and 3 minutes. So obviously, to the 5th floor will be 4 minutes and 4 as well. So let me tell you a pattern, guys. Let me tell you a pattern. So if you are starting from the 1st floor, okay, and let's say you want to go to the 6th floor, guys, okay, all you need to do is take away 1 from the 6. 6 minus 1 equals to 5 stairs. And we can count. Let's see if it's right. So 1st floor to the 6th floor, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stairs. So does that make sense? Do you guys understand the relationship, guys? Yes. So 1 less. 1 less. Okay. So now, guys. So how about let's solve some more interesting questions, a little bit harder, like this one. Guys, it takes orally 9 minutes to walk up to the stairs from 1st floor to the 4th floor. Guys, how many stairs, flight of stairs, did orally go up from the 1st floor to the 4th floor? Good. Good. 3 stairs. Okay. And how long did it take you to go 3 stairs? 3 stairs. 9 minutes. Yes, thank you, Sophie. So now, guys, as you can see, write this down. So 3 stairs, it took you 9 minutes. So always, guys, this is extra important. Guys, please find how long it took for you to walk 1 stair. And how do we figure this out, guys? So if 3 stairs was 9 minutes, then how long did it take to figure out 1 stair? Divided by 3. Yeah, so 9 divided by 3. So what do you get? Yes, 3 minutes. Excellent. So now, guys, how many minutes does it take him to walk from the 1st floor to the 8th floor? Guys, from 1st floor to the 8th floor, how many stairs? How many stairs? You need to think. 7. Yes, because it's 8 minus 1, remember? So 7 stairs is going to take you 7 times 3 minutes, which equals to 21 minutes. So, does that make sense, everybody? So, let me explain again. So, whatever you have from the question, guys, always try to figure out how long it takes you to walk 1 flight of stairs, guys. This is very important because then it becomes really easy once we know how many stairs we need to climb. First, to 8th, we know it's 8 minus 1, which is 7 stairs. So 7 times 3 is 21. That's your answer. So yes, everybody, please read the question. And let's look at the question you need to do. This is the question, guys. Now, for hard questions, guys, you don't even have a picture to double check. So double check your answer with the picture if you need to, guys. Okay, so I'll give you a time. Maybe we will give 2.5 minutes. So plenty of time, everybody. So don't rush. Okay, so the time is up. Yes, this question was a little bit trickier than before, and the correct answer is B. So well done, guys, if you selected B. I'll give you a trophy. And for this question, let's have... Okay, let's have Kathy. Hey, hello, Kathy.
Hi.
So, Kathy, if you read this question, it takes nice 4 minutes to walk up the stairs from the first floor to the third floor. So, how many sets of stairs did we need to walk?
Two.
Yes, how did you get 2?
Because the first level and the second level and then the third level.
Yes, and there's a quick way to do this. Remember 3 minus 1. It's always 1 less of the floor.
3 minus 1 equals 2.
Yeah, that's right. So, okay, so let's write this down. 2 flight of stairs. So 2 stairs equals 2 4 minutes. And what did I tell you to do always? Do you remember what did I tell you to do always? You need to find how long it takes to you to walk 1 flight of stairs. Okay?
Okay.
And how long does it take then?
2 minutes.
Good. 2 minutes. That's right. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Or you can just see. If this is 2 and 2, that's 4 minutes. Good. Okay. And now, if we continue and read this question, how many minutes does it take him to walk up the stairs from the first floor to the 7th floor? How many stairs is from first floor to the 7th floor?
You just have to minus 1.
Good. From where?
From 7 minus 1.
Yeah, 7 minus 1 is 6. So we have 6 stairs. Very good. 6 stairs. So if 1 stair is 2 minutes, so how long does it take you to go up 6 stairs?
12 minutes.
How did you calculate?
With time, so 6 times 2 equals 12.
12 minutes. Yes. Very good, Kathy. That was excellent. Well done. Don't forget to always find 1 stair, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so yes, that's why it's 12. Haha. A lot of people selected A, which is 14. No, 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 no. Or C, which is 10. No. Yes. So does everybody now understand? Hmm? Good. Okay, and now. All right, guys. So Isaac said no. What don't you understand, Isaac? Okay, Isaac, what don't you understand?
I don't know how to calculate from one stair to another stair.
Oh, good question. So now, do you understand that how to calculate 2 stairs to 1 stair?
Not really.
Okay, so think about it. Do you know why it's 2 stairs from first floor to third floor? You can see, look, 1 stair. So I'll draw a circle for you. So 1 stair, 2 stairs. So this is where you're standing. This is third floor. So it's always 1 less stairs than the floor. Does that make sense, Isaac, first of all?
A lot.
Okay, good. And now, 2 stairs was 4 minutes. So 1 stair is going to be half of 2 stairs, isn't it? If this entire trip took you 4 minutes, don't you think it's going to be 2 minutes and 2 minutes?
Yes.
Yeah, good. And now, remember how to count how many stairs you have from 1st to 7th floor? 7 minus 1 is 6. We have 6 stairs you can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And each stair, you said it was 2 minutes. So 6 times 2 is 12. That's how. Do you now understand?
Yes.
Good. Okay, does everybody else understand as well? Okay, but here's the tricky question, guys. Now, but what if we don't start at 1st floor? Okay? What if we don't start at the 1st floor? Now, have a look at this question. Let me give you a demonstration. Guys, if Orly, so Orly is over here at the 1st floor, and if he wants to walk to the 6th floor, how many stairs? So this is something that we know. How many stairs is to the 6th floor, guys? Yes, 5. Yes, how did we figure this out? 6 minus 1 equals to 5. Very good. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Orly will be here. Okay, so 5 stairs. But guys, if Wukong is over here at the 3rd floor, if he wants to go to the 8th floor, let's count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, because this is the 8th floor, guys. 5. And interesting enough, guys, the quick way to calculate this is where you started and where you finished. All you need to do is find the difference. 8 minus 3 is 5. This is how you get the answer. Isn't that nice, guys? Just find the difference. Yes, it's very nice. So, okay. So if Mr. Polar Bear, which is Jeffrey, if he is currently at over here at the 9th floor, guys, if he wants to go to the 2nd floor, how many stairs? We can calculate now. How do we calculate, everybody? How do we calculate? Yes, thank you, Sherlock. It's the difference, not count. 9 take away 2, it's the difference, which is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is the 2nd floor. So, guys, do you think you can find how many stairs you need to walk or go down depending on 2 different levels? Yes? Find the difference. Good, good, good. Because not every single time you will have this picture, guys. Okay? If I'm being really mean, I can just erase the whole picture and you need to do it by yourself. So please remember how to find the number of flight of stairs. Okay? All right, so next, guys, let's have a look at this together. It takes Jeffrey 12 minutes to walk from stairs from 2nd floor. Okay, so this is where we start. And to the 6th floor. Okay, so this is where he finishes. All right. So at the same speed, how many minutes does it take him to walk from the 4th to the 7th? Ah, yikes, yikes, yikes. Guys, first of all, how many stairs do we have between 6th and 2nd? How do we calculate this? Remember? Yes, Jason, very good. 4. Find the difference. 6 minus 2 is 4. So 4 stairs, it takes him 12 minutes, guys. And guys, what did I tell you always to do? What did I tell you to do always? Yes, read as well. Check as well, yeah. Thank you, Livy and Sophie. Let me give you guys both the trophy. So Sophie, well done. And Livy, good job. And yes, so find how long it takes you to go up 1 stairs. Okay? So that's okay, Sherlock. Yes. 1 stair equals to how long then? 4 stairs is 12 minutes, guys. So 1 stair is how many minutes? 3 minutes. How do we calculate? How is it 3? How do we calculate 3 minutes, guys? 12 divided by 4. Yes, good. So which is 3 minutes. Very good. So we're almost there, guys. So now, guys, what does the question want us to do? We want to go to the 4th floor to the 7th floor. So how many stairs do we have from 4th and 7th, guys? Yes, 7 minus 4, the difference is equal to 3. So 3 stairs. So how long do you think it will take now? 9, yes, because 3 times 3 equals to 9 minutes. This is why you need to calculate how long it takes for you to go up 1 stair. 1 stair was 3 minutes. 3 stairs will going to be 9 minutes. And Melody, can you hear me now? Okay. So, does that make sense, everybody? Do you understand? Good, Melody. So first of all, guys, to find how many stairs, guys, I'll tell you one more time. Find the difference. 6 and 2nd, it took you 12 minutes and that was 4 stairs. Okay? And so always find how long it takes you to go 1 stair. 1 stair is 3 minutes because 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 12, or 12 divided by 4 is 3. And now read the question. So you want to start at 4th floor to the 7th floor. So what's the difference? 7 minus 4 is 3. So 3 stairs. 3 times 3 is 9 minutes. So let's see how well you guys can do the next question. I'll give you guys 3 minutes. So take your time. No need to rush. Okay, so the time is up, guys. So please select your answer. And let's reveal the answer. It's actually C. So well done, guys, for the correct answer. And for this question, let me actually ask Alvin. Hello, Alvin. Hello, Alvin. Can you hear me? Seems like your microphone's not working, Alvin. Is everything okay, Alvin? Okay. All right. So how about let's have Anson. Hello, Anson.
Hello.
Hi, Anson. So it takes Una 6 minutes to walk the stairs from the 3rd floor to the 6th floor. So how many flight of stairs do you need to walk from the 3rd to the 6th floor? Do you know?
No.
Now, remember, if you want to find how many stairs you need to go from 3rd to 6th, all you need to do is find the difference. What is the difference between 6 and 3?
3.
Yeah, that's right. That's it. 3 stairs. Okay, so 3 stairs. And how long did it take for 3 stairs?
6 minutes.
Very good. 6 minutes. Very good. And now, what did I tell you always to find next? Find how many minutes you need to walk for 1 stair. Okay, Anson?
Okay.
So how long does it take for you to walk 1 stair? If 3 stairs takes 6 minutes.
2 minutes.
Very good, Anson. Yes, that's it. 2 minutes. And now we want to go 2nd floor to the 8th floor. How do we calculate how many stairs we need to walk? Do you remember? Find
2 times 8.
No, we need to calculate how many stairs first. 2nd floor to the 8th floor. So 2nd to the 8th floor. We can calculate this by finding the difference, Anson. 8 minus 2 equals to what?
6.
Yes, 6 stairs. And I can show you where the 6 stairs are. 2nd floor. So you need to go up once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and 6 times you will be at the 8th floor. Do you understand how to find the difference now?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we have 6 stairs. So how long does it take? 1 stair was 2 minutes. So 6 stairs is
12.
12 minutes. Very good. Very good. Do you now understand how to do this question?
Yes.
Okay, very good answer. So that's why the answer is C, everybody. Does that make sense